Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. I'm going to try to make a couple of videos. As you know, I dislocated my shoulder, can't go to the hospital, so we're trying all this stuff to put it back in. So I have a funny story before I start. So online on YouTube, you could hold a tea kettle, bend over, and hold it, and it'll slowly pop your shoulder back, and it is working. But one of my boxers is watching me this morning, so I'm bent over, I'm groaning a little bit, and he looks at me, looks at the tea kettle, looks at me, looks at the tea kettle, and went I took care of the problem, Mom. It was so funny, I had to share that. So anyway, we're getting so far behind on these videos, so you're probably going to get several a day to catch up because I have a lot of material to go on. So today we're going to do something that you could grow inside, and it's kind of fun with kids: potatoes and peanuts. So potatoes are warm weather, kind of. You could start them in the spring. Peanuts like temperatures of 70 degrees in the soil. But what you can do is you could take old containers. You wish it was deeper like this, an ornamental pot that you're going to use for flowers later on. And one of the best ones are buckets. So all you have to do is make sure that there's drain holes. You have to water them. When it's sunny, I take mine out, bring them in. So how do I get these potatoes? We can't go buy them right now. So we grow a lot of potatoes. These are our seedlings that have sprouted. So what you do is you put them in a sunny window and basically let them sprout. Or if you have some while you're cutting your potatoes, you can take them out, put them into the water. So what I do, and here's one of those that sprouted. I put in my grandson, and this is it here. There's great ways you could use them. So here, I dropped one in with my begonia, and all of a sudden I had this big, wonderful plant. Because of the size of the container, it's not going to grow very big, but we're going to get a couple potatoes. If you could zoom in, I could show you them. We're going to harvest those, and hopefully I could save my begonia plant. But see, here's one here, one's here. I just forgot about them. I'm going to see if there's more in here. We're going to dump it, and then I'll repot that. So these are easy. Throw them in a bucket, throw them in a container, start them now. Put them out. If it's warm, put them outside. If it's going to frost like last night, bring them in. Or you could go back and forth. And it takes about, let's say, 100 days. Well, it depends what kind of potato to harvest it, but you have a big, beautiful plant during that time. When do you know to harvest? See how this is wilted over? This would be like the end of the summer. It's done. So when you see it starting to shrivel, it's time to harvest them. Now, don't laugh. This one hand is really getting old. When you pull them, see the potatoes we're getting? And I can feel them back here, but without my grandson is helping me, I can't do it. But there's like 4 more back here, but we'll do them later. But you could see the point. Well, that's all right. Don't worry about it. Oh, we'll do it later. See right there? That's all right. So there's like 4 more down here. So for a mistake, we got 4 little potatoes. Lunch. We have some great recipes with that. Now what about peanuts? We could also do the same thing, and kids love peanuts. Now, if you order these seeds, these are on Amazon from Baker Creek, heirloom seeds. I order a lot from them. They're all natural, they're heirlooms, no chemicals, free shipping, and it's quick. I get some of the coolest plants from them. So the peanuts, Same thing, you're gonna fill it with the same soil, and for these, because I want a quick loose soil, I use 50% compost and 50% garden soil, because I want it loose. These are in containers, and basically all you do is push them in, and I'm about 2 inches, water them in, don't let them dry, and that's it. You have peanuts. Kids love them. They love digging for them. And the same thing, the peanuts are fun. Basically, when they start flowering, the whole plant will go into the ground. So after you plant them, if you want to boil your peanuts, it's 90 days. If you want to roast them, 130 days. I like both. You could spice up the peanuts. We do a lot of fun things with them. Just keep some of the seeds so you get to redo them. But otherwise, Baker Creek is a great place to buy them. Great company, and it's fun to go visit. So that's what you do with your old bad potatoes. Make a whole bunch more. Have a great day, and please subscribe and like and share us with other people. Take care.